is up, YouTube? Ralph Eats here. I think we're becoming Ralph Drinks because we're starting to do all these alcohol drinks, beverages, and today we are going to be doing the Snoop Dogg Indigo with the double G. Alright, so this is a gin. It's infused with strawberries. So, yeah, it's got like 7 herbs. He calls it the remix. 7 remixed herbs in here, infused with strawberries. I'm not a big gin guy, but you know, who doesn't like Snoop? So we're gonna support him. Try this out, see if we like it. Yes, I got the super big bottle. I got this from Total Wine. It was a couple bucks. I think it was like $2-3. All right, so let's open it up. See, brand new. You can hear it. Still stuck, like. It smells like a strawberry seltzer water. Okay, you cannot smell the alcohol. All you can smell is the strawberry. So we're gonna first try it out by itself. I'm gonna pour just a little bit in here. Try it out. Oh. Okay. You get that strong gin aftertaste, but at first when you taste it, it tastes just like strawberries. Very light, smooth, very smooth, very nice, very nice. Okay, I also have another glass here. We're gonna try it on the rocks. Give it a little swirl. I tried it fast because I don't want the ice to melt on it. That was a lot smoother. Very smooth. You could taste the. It kind of does taste like. I saw a review, and they were saying it kind of tasted like infused vodka. I can sense that. It does kind of smell a little bit. I mean, it kind of gives you that. It's so smooth, you can't taste the gin. It gives you like a vodka taste. Wow. Very nice, Snoop. All right, so on his website for the Indigo, he's got a drink called the Laid Back. So we're gonna do that. There's still quite a few of it left. I should have bought 2, but we're gonna use this pineapple juice. So let's shake it up first. I'm gonna open it. Very good. I don't want to pour this in yet because I don't want it to get watered down. I'm gonna throw out all the water that's in here. I need to. I'll be in the process of getting one of those big ice cube molds. We also need a sponsor. Any alcohol sponsor wants to sponsor me. So it says about 2 ounces of Indigo with some pineapple juice. Just a little bit. I have a straw. Okay, and then garnish with the pineapple. And this is a laid back from his. This is a laid back from his website, which is the Indigo Gin. And the pineapple juice. Let's try this out. It's a little strong. I put a little bit more juice in here. Okay. Very nice. You can't really taste the alcohol, but I can feel that it's gonna sneak up behind. All you really taste is the pineapple juice. All right, and those are some scary drinks when you can't taste the alcohol and they sneak up behind. You know, they sneak up on you. The laid back. Yeah, so very good. I recommend this. I give it about 8.5 on the, actually I give this drink an 8.5, the laid back. But this was very good. As a gin by itself, I give it an 8. Alright guys, thanks for watching. My light is dying. I'll talk to you soon. You